Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've acquired this absolutely Ford S-Max. Now these are quite hard to find in a really good condition. They're usually knocked about. This is certainly not one of those. It's in lovely condition. It's got the front park distance control, absolutely lovely metallic blue paintwork, alloy wheels, 7 seats obviously, and it's very high spec. We've got privacy glass to the rear. Just look at that paintwork, it's lovely. Rear park distance control. No scuffs to the bumper, to the corners. It's just been MOT'd, just been serviced. It's ready to go, look at that. No mirrors, no scuffs, absolutely lovely condition. Inside the boot area, obviously got the 7 seats. These do fold down pretty quickly. Hang on, it's been plugged in to check for the MOT, so just literally pull that up and down it goes. So you see that's all. You can have it quite a lot of seat configurations. Rear seats are in lovely condition. That's the rear parcel shelf there, if you require that. Electric windows, retractable mirrors, electric mirrors. Nowhere on the bolster. Start the car up. 96,749 miles. No warning lights on the dash, all exactly as it should be. Cruise control, automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel. Oh, lovely cold air conditioning. That is freezing up, that is lovely. Satellite navigation. It also has 3-stage heated seats. You can sit all day with that aircon. Park distance control, so with Parktronic as well. So you can find out where you want to park the car. Not that I do really like that. Air conditioning, as I've already mentioned. But it's in really lovely condition. Hard to find Ford S-Maxes like this. Storage space there. There's probably a few other extras I missed. Did I say cruise control? Oh, and you've got lane assist. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.